Moving funds from an Empower account to an external bank account requires following specific digital navigation steps depending on whether the user manages an Empower personal cash account or an Empower retirement plan like a 401k or IRA. The digital dashboard provides the primary interface for initiating these electronic funds transfers. Accessing the platform starts by navigating to the official Empower website or opening the official mobile application on a smartphone. Logging into the secure portal requires entering valid login credentials, such as the username and password, followed by completing any required multi-factor authentication security prompts. For users utilizing Empower personal cash accounts, the process of transferring money to an external bank is straightforward. Once logged into the dashboard, locate and select the Empower personal cash account, which is typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. Proceed by selecting the Manage Account option to view deeper account controls. Within that section, choose the Transfer Funds feature, which governs both additions and removals of money. The platform then prompts the user to select whether the action is a deposit or a withdrawal. Designate the external bank account as the destination and specify the cash account as the source. Input the exact monetary amount intended for the transfer and select the preferred transfer frequency, such as a one-time transaction or a recurring monthly schedule. Carefully review the chosen accounts and the final total before checking the required authorization box. Conclude this digital sequence by clicking Continue and then confirming the transfer to successfully submit the request. Mobile application users follow a similar pathway within the interface. After signing into the Empower mobile app, tap on the designated cash account. Select the deposit option located on the right-hand side of the display screen, keeping in mind that this exact tool handles withdrawals as well. Choose the correct source and destination accounts from the available drop-down menus. Enter the desired transfer amount and establish the frequency of the transaction. Review all transaction parameters on the summary screen, check the authorization checkbox, and proceed by clicking Continue followed by confirming the transfer. Transferring funds from an Empower retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA, to a personal bank account involves distinct regulatory procedures because retirement funds are subject to specific tax laws and plan rules. Begin by logging into the retirement account portal through the main Empower website. Navigate to the account menu and select the specific retirement plan option associated with the employer or individual plan. Look for the withdrawal or distribution section within the top navigation or side menu. Before initiating a withdrawal, the external bank account must be formally linked and verified. Access the Profile or Account Settings area to manage bank accounts. Select the option to add a new bank account and input the correct routing number and checking or savings account number. Empower may require a verification process, which sometimes involves small micro-deposits sent to the external bank account to confirm ownership before large sums can be moved. Once the external bank account is successfully linked and verified, return to the Withdrawal section to request a distribution. Select the type of withdrawal that matches the current financial situation, keeping in mind that distributions can be structured as periodic installment payments or a full or partial lump sum distribution. Choose Direct Electronic Deposit or Automated Clearinghouse as the preferred payout method to route the funds directly to the linked bank account rather than receiving a physical check. Carefully review all tax withholding selections. Distributions from tax-advantaged retirement accounts typically require federal and state income tax withholding, and early withdrawals taken before reaching age 59 and a half may trigger additional federal penalties unless a qualified exception applies. Complete any required electronic signature fields or plan administrator approvals requested by the system. Submit the completed withdrawal request, and the system will process the transaction, transferring the funds electronically to the designated bank account within the standard processing window of a few business days.